A new study suggests earthquakes, floods, and other natural disasters may raise dementia risk for seniors forced to leave their homes. Study author Hiroyuki Hikichi, a research fellow at Harvard University's School of Public Health in Boston, said, "In the aftermath of disasters, most people focus on mental health issues like PTSD, but our study suggests that cognitive decline is also an important issue. Relocation to a temporary shelter after a disaster may have the unintended effect of separating people not just from their homes but from their neighbors, and both may speed up mental decline among vulnerable people," Hikichi's team noted.